Hi there, my name is Olamide, the natural hair addict. Welcome to my channel where I share everything that I have learned and I'm still learning from my 4-year natural hair journey. Everything from product reviews, product recommendations, how-to videos, styling tutorials, everything that you need to know about natural hair, you're gonna find it here. I drop at least one video every week and I host live streams at least once a month. I would like you to take some time to explore the channel because I've been doing this for 3 years. There is a lot of content on the channel already that is going to really help you take your natural hair care to the next level, and there is a lot more to come, so make sure you stick around, subscribe to this channel and share it with somebody you think might need my help, because my content is geared towards people who are either too lazy or too busy to spend so much time, money and effort growing their natural hair. I believe that I am the laziest natural in existence, but I mean, come on, I can help you do this. I can help you get here. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and stick around, okay? I am genuinely glad that you found me. I'm genuinely glad to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.